Ever wonder how much space a company like Expensify actually takes up? Not just in the digital world, but in the real, tangible world of employees, offices, and market reach? We're not talking about server space or cloud storage today. We're diving into the sheer scale of a company that's become synonymous with expense management. Think about it. We use apps and services every day without truly grasping the infrastructure behind them. We see the sleek interface, the user-friendly features, but what about the people who make it all happen? How many employees does it take to support millions of users globally? How many offices house the innovation that drives a platform like Expensify? The answer isn't as simple as a single number. It's a complex tapestry woven from various elements. Let's start with the workforce. Expensify, while famously embracing remote work, isn't a team of just a handful of developers in a garage anymore. They've grown, expanded, and built a network of professionals across the globe. This means a diverse team, from engineers and designers to customer support and sales, all contributing to the platform's functionality and reach. While the exact number fluctuates, it's a significant operation, reflecting the complexity of their service. Then there's the digital footprint. Expensify handles millions of transactions, processes vast amounts of data, and integrates with countless other platforms. This necessitates a robust and scalable infrastructure. While much of this exists in the cloud, it still represents a substantial investment in technology and resources. The servers, the data centers, the cybersecurity measures, all contribute to the overall size of Expensify. But the size isn't just about numbers. It's about impact. Expensify has become a key player in the financial tech space, influencing how businesses manage expenses. Their innovations, like the SmartScan technology and the integration with accounting software, have streamlined workflows and reduced administrative burdens for countless users. This impact, this footprint in the business world, is a crucial part of understanding the true scale of the company. Consider their partnerships and integrations. They've built a network of connections with other major players, expanding their reach and influence. This network, this ecosystem they've created, is another dimension of their size. It's about how deeply ingrained they've become in the broader business landscape. And let's not forget the user base. Millions of individuals and businesses rely on Expensify to manage their expenses, from small startups to large corporations. This vast user base represents a significant market presence, a testament to the platform's popularity and effectiveness. This reach, this global community, is a vital part of understanding Expensify's overall size. So, how big is Expensify? It's a combination of a substantial workforce, a robust digital infrastructure, a significant market presence, and a far-reaching impact on the business world. It's a company that's grown beyond its initial startup roots, becoming a major player in the financial tech industry. It's a testament to the power of innovation and the ability to scale a business in the digital age. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.